What's going on, guys? It's Gerard. We're back on the Backyard Mini Ramp. Don't know if I can say better. Been out of the game for a little while now. Been fighting off some body aches, some foot pains, stuff that has to do with being old. Been working on, you might see it behind me too, a new playhouse for my daughter, so that's been eating up a lot of my time. But I'm super excited to be back and skating again tonight. One trick that's been on my mind that I've been thinking I want to be able to land is a front side 5-0 grind, revert in. But I don't really have the fundamentals to get there yet, and so I want to work my way up. And so today what I'm going to try is first a nollie frontside disaster revert. That sounds really advanced, but it's more like a nose pivot disaster, so it's not as exciting. And then if I can get that pretty good, I want to step it up to a front side disaster revert. So I think if I can get that revert motion down, that's going to be the first step towards working up to that front side 5-0 revert. So I'm going to warm up with some nollie front side disasters, some tail stall reverts to get the motion, and then go for it. See if we can get it. All right, got one. Like anything else, took way longer than I thought. Already pretty tired. Gonna try and get a couple more. If I can land it a couple more times, I'm gonna see if I can do it with a regular frontside disaster. If not, I'm pretty happy I at least got the revert out so I can build upon it next time. But we gotta at least try to get a couple more first. All right, that felt awesome. It feels really good to be back out here again after really not skating much over the past month. Haven't learned a new trick for even longer than that since I landed that blunt to fakie. So I was stoked just to get the nollie nose pivot version, and I was trying to tell myself that I was satisfied with that. But those of you guys that are into skateboarding know that you always want to push it to that next level. I kept telling myself I was going to quit trying the front disaster revert, but every time I told myself I was going to quit, the next try I'd get really close. So I had to keep going for it. When you don't skate for a little while, your body feels a lot more, so I was definitely gassed, but man, to get that trick feels awesome. Frontside reverts, for whatever reason, always kind of spooked me, especially coming in off of tricks, so that's what I'm going to keep working on building up. I'm going to work on getting this trick consistent, but the next one's going to be frontside axle stall to revert, and then building up to that front 5-0. Like I said, it feels really good to be back out here. Sorry for missing the past month or so with videos. Hopefully I'll get more consistent again in the coming weeks, but thanks for checking this one out. We'll see you guys next time.